Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Landlords, I just thought we should also cover uthando nesithembu, right? Okay, angisho sesiyazi ukuthi ubaba uMsele kuthathe wife number 5 uMakhwela. Now number 5 sekafikile sekadinga ukuthi abe presented, but uGuy first went to uMacele, right? The discussions with uMacele were around all the things that were said on TV in the what room, interview room or whatever room where they express how they feel, right? Now uMseleku said something ne wathi simseva kakhulu uMacele njani, and then when amakhumalo ungasamsave umuntu ungakusave, of which mina I understood it from the point ukuthi Makhumalo, you are going all out for this person and this person never goes out for you, so stop going all out for people that will not go all out for you. Baby girl ke uMacele wayishintsha wayenza ngendaba yamaphenti, wayenza ngendaba yemali nani, but nonetheless uMseleku waqina sekaqolisile sekathi I'm sorry ne sharp. Hayi wathi ke ngizothula unumber 5 uzomvumela ukuthi angena athi yes, angisho sekawunkosikazi sekalotsholiwe inkomo seziphumile zakamseleku zaya khona kwayomenyezwe egate ukuthi sezoqela ubuhlobo obuhle, then yes ungamletha. Now mina my only thing ukuthi ubuzile question futhi important athi is she the last one, and then uMseleku said no. So it means ukuthi when this one is well settled, maybe more season 11 we will be discussing number 6. Like, I don't know. How do you see it? I think for season 11 we'll be discussing number 6. But nonetheless, uMacele welcomed uMakhwela and is ready to meet noMakhwela. Ngoba aqelile ke ukintroduce kuMacele umuntu wathatha uMakhwela ke wayomlanda ugela kazi ukuthi yapha endleleni mase kufikwa nje sekayatshela ukuthi usesiphaqi sikulethe la so uzomitha usibani. Yo ugirl inhliziyo yakhe. Guys, I hope they're not acting, because really if they are, I'm literally going to burn uthando nesithembu. Okay. Ugirl, now my heart palpitations, she's scared, but she has to meet uMacele. Remember uMacele does not have a problem. uMacele no training abantu abaphasa by 100 kuye kuzoba into right, because it means ukuthi no one will be number last, no one will feel special more than her, as much as yena alanyiwe nabo bonke nje bazolanywa. Hayi athi uMseleku ngimlanda athi songenzela uthando nesithembu. Alandwe ke uMakhwela emotweni, nabaya bayangena. Loda ama highlights athi nje zizobuya kuzoshuba zizosha ready akithi wena already na, because ngwanyana okengwana ke tsenyane akithi. Macele then goes and confronts umntwanakhe, right? Regarding the conflict on the highlights that were shown for izingane zesithembu, asking ukuthi, what do you mean Wandle when you are reactive and it looks like you want to put hands on your sister? This is your sister, and if you are going to be able to be brave enough to put hands on your sister, then it means that you'll be brave enough to put hands on a woman. So Lwazinje, correct yourself. So that was nice to hear. Also, she also corrected the fact ukuthi ulomfana lo angeke abeyo ikatera kama Khumalo. He's not going to be helping uMakhumalo in any way, shape or form. Akangeni ulwazi indabeni kaMakhumalo. Remember uMseleku bekabasherile ukuthi wena uzoyenza lo unakekele lo mndeni lo yenzeni. Athi nope, angisho njengoba uMseleku abhizi afake itrain ashada phansi phezulu. One of the ladies azobashada manje, they will bear kids, and then that kid will be borrowed uMakhumalo. Yo guys, it's so painful. I honestly do not understand the storyline or whatever every time ne? But in my private space I pray for uMakhumalo ukuthi uNkulunkulu akambusise ngeyakhe ingane azoyigona ebambe ngesandla asho ukuthi this is my child, whether a girl or a boy, but shemntana abantu ayangeke, because this is very difficult for children to be paraded in your presence to say this one will help you, this one will not help you, and but ke uMacele feels ukuthi nope, wena mfana wami lwazi angeke uzosherwa, abazopreka bazozala, and then they will cater for uMakhumalo. You are not the candidate. afonele-ke uSne alokhu analo ulwazi amtshelile ukuthi uSne akaklini in. During the call uSne sekumuntu oqela 200 rand. Hayi ambuza ukuthi ukhona ufuna malini kahle kahle athi 500. Aw I send. You could see ukuthi ulwazi was properly turned off. Like uguy was like, and then halang. But ke shuthi le iqanda likamaqele lo uSne. Kube-ke ilama abayithu number 3 no number 4 bahlangane on a ladies date, ladies Ntontoni. On that ladies Ntontoni, they had their discussions and they speculated ukuthi, did you think ukuthi i-meeting izoba about what? And then uMangwabe waqhaza ukuthi no, mina I thought ukuthi it's always going to be about number 5, the introduction of number 5. And I sent uMayeni that message ukuthi I think la kuzokhulunywa ngo-number 5. To my surprise, it was number 5 plus iSpice. But because mina uMthombeni bese kashilo ukuthi ngisemnyango uma Khumalo wathi mina ngibonga nje ukuthi awakakalisho ngowakho umlomo ukuthi uyahamba in this process. Hayi bamphoqa bathi cima mina anytime ngikahaka amatorokisi plus angisho sekushiwo ukuthi mina ngisegedini. Guys, I wonder ukuthi uMseleku makazo introduce uMakhwela uMangwabe kuyoba njani. And if uMangwabe uya-actor uba hyper nan. How did she think others behaved when they had to accept her? Yo, I know. Rough, but this one is young. I pray ukuthi for her sake she brings uMseleku 5 children, because if she doesn't, kuyoza ona 18 ngemanch. But yeah, that's what happened to Uthando Nesthembu. While you are at it, please do like, share, and subscribe, and let us grow our channel. Also, let me know, because Umkhokha the curse is about to conclude. What can we replace it with? I love you. Peace. Bye.